Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious taco meat with ground turkey. First, grab a large skillet and place it over medium-high heat. Add 1 pound of ground turkey and begin browning it. Use a spoon or spatula to break the meat into small, even pieces as it cooks. Once the turkey is fully cooked through, make sure to drain any excess liquid from the pan. This step ensures your taco meat isn't watery. Now it's time to infuse that amazing taco flavor. Add 1 packet of your favorite taco seasoning mixed directly to the brown ground turkey in the skillet. Next, pour in 1/4 cup of water. Stir everything together really well, making sure every piece of turkey is coated with the seasoning. This helps the flavors meld and creates a saucy texture for your tacos. Once everything is mixed, bring the turkey and seasoning mixture to a gentle simmer. Then, reduce the heat to low. Let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally. This allows the flavors to deepen and the liquid to reduce and thicken. You'll notice the sauce beautifully coats the turkey, creating that perfect taco meat consistency. Your delicious ground turkey taco meat is now ready. Remove the skillet from the heat. Spoon the hot, flavorful meat into warm tortillas or crispy taco shells. Don't forget to add your favorite toppings like shredded cheese, fresh lettuce, diced tomatoes, or a dollop of sour cream. Enjoy your homemade, healthy, and incredibly tasty turkey tacos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.